Hello and welcome to this course. In this video, I will be showing how you can import or load furniture into your Revit file. In the architecture tab, there is a button that is called component. You can just click on it, and then if you go to properties palette and see if there is already component of your required furniture. Let's say if I want to use this desk, I will just click on it, and since it is a desk, I will place it in a office. Now you can see that if I want to place it again, then you can see that if I press space bar, the furniture automatically rotates according to the nearest plane, which in this case are walls. So it's totally up to you that in which rotation do you want to place your furniture. So I'm not placing it here. Now I want to place some chairs. Then I will go to this component and load family. Now I need to find folder which contains furniture. This is the folder. In the furniture, I guess chairs will be in the settings. Yes, chairs are in the setting. So I will click this executive chair, and you can see that now this chair component has been reloaded. Again, you can also see that the chair is currently rotated. So if I press my space bar, you can see that it automatically keeps rotating. So this chair is fine. I will just click here. Now if I need a sofa, I will again go to load family, and then I will import this sofa. Since this sofa has two types based upon their sizes, I will try to use this smaller one and place it here. Now let's say if I want to place a bed or a stretcher here, so again I will go to component or just type the command cm, and then I will go to load family, and then go to another folder which is beds, and let's just use this one, bed hospital, for now. Again it needs some rotation. I will just rotate it and place it. So that is how you can import and place the furniture. Now if I want to place some uh, plumbing fixtures in the toilet as well, then I will go to this component and load family, and I will find the folder for plumbing. Let's say this is the plumbing folder, and then I will go to architectural, and then I will go to fixtures and see if there are water closets. Yes, there are some water closets. So you can see that you can import any of this. Now I will import this one and rotate it and place it. You can also import the plumbing fixtures through if you go to systems and then you go to the plumbing panel, then you can see that there is already a button for plumbing fixtures. So px, you can see that it brought me to the same place. Now I will load family, and in this case I want to place a sink. Let's say this is the sink that I want to place. Now you can see that there are some kind of components which you can't just place anywhere. You can only place them only wall. So let's just click as per the plan. So that's how you can place the furniture, and you can also import or load the components. If you have downloaded something that is not in the Revit library, but you can also download something from the internet or Google, and then you can load them within your file. Just you have to go to component and then load a family, and then you have to find the required folder, which in your case maybe it's a download folder or any other folder. So that's it for today. If you have any kind of confusion, please do ask me in the comment section.